How to fix Facebook shadow ban. So if you want to fix your Facebook shadow ban, then what you need to do is you can't remove your shadow ban from your application because you will not be able to log into your account, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Facebook. After that, you need to go with your app info. After opening your app info, you need to go with storage and cache. And from here, you need to go and clear your cache and also clear your storage. Once you clear your cache and your storage, then it will reset your Facebook application, or you can just simply go and uninstall your Facebook application completely. And after uninstalling, you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store. And after that, you'll be able to log into your account and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store and after deleting or before deleting, you can go with your Facebook on your Play Store and update the application if you have any updates. After updating, you can just restart your device, and after restarting, go and log into your account and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.